technically you could get in on this second one. You see how it's larger?
Yep. Yep.
Now I don't love it because it's not, making a nice move like you can see these are, but still, yes, you can trade it. Just knowing you're close to VWAP, right? You need to be paying attention. And if it does start to flatten out, you really better be watching your butt, right? Because typically, if they're flat like these, they're not going anywhere. They're just, right, consolidating, which
Sure.
usually turns into this garbage, right? Like flip.
Yep.
Yeah, I stopped looking up here. Here, let me help you guys. You see this? Here, let me help you for the whole trading day. Here you go. I got you. I got you, partner. There you go. And then you trade this. You don't care about this. This has nothing to do with you.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. This is
Perfect.
your entry. This is your entry. This is your entry. This is your entry. And then we can start monitoring the candle only if we're around like VWAP, right? These key critical areas. But to get in, all we're looking at is here, 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 here. I don't care what's happening. I don't care. I don't care. Right?
Gotcha.
Typically, what you're waiting for is it to break a key level one way or the other. Or you could scoop it up down here when it hits low. Nate loves to do that, don't you, Nate? When it hits a nice low point, or VWAP, which is around here. See it? So trading in this middle range, this is kind of dangerous, right? I would rather it had a break here or wait for it to touch VWAP, and then I will buy long, and then I will make sure to get out if it pulls below it. Do you see? So Tesla, here we go on Tesla. Let's see. Tesla with a big pull. It's already down almost 1 full percentage point here. Let's see. I mean, I can see it's getting in right there. Reason is, look at all this. See all this? I'd like to see it just above it. Actually, I want it above this level because that's going to be resistance. So Tesla to the upside's 258.88. SPY, we're going to use previous day high right here because it's so close to where we are now. 432.87 upside. And we're going to use pre-market low on this one because it actually looks good where it's all at. So on this one's going to be below 432, never at 432, because we all know whole numbers is where everybody is waiting. Netflix. Let's see. Netflix right here at 387, above 387. To the downside, 384.75. Apple, I'd like to see this above 178.78, 73, 178.73, below 177.65.